easy go.
So hi friends, today I will tell you how to upgrade any Android into Oreo. So please like and subscribe this channel and share the video. And yet you have not seen my video how to download GDS Android into mobile. So please click on this icon. Let's get started. If you're tired of searching how to download Android O into Android phone of your any version, you can see this video and hold your hand. Today I will tell you. First I will take you out in computer where you want to go, then I show you in the mobile. Link into the description. You can go directly from there, or you can type Android O beta. Oh, sorry, R I have forgotten. Let it be, it will be correct. Scroll down. You want to go at this download Pixel for Pixel Android devices developer. Sorry, it is for only for Pixel's mobile. And if you are having Google NEXUS, you want to wait. And if you are having Google Pixel, you can directly go from here and click on download system images. You can see now you can download from here Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel, any of your Pixel devices. And if your device or Google not having here, let me go in mobile, and there you can get Google Pixels and Google Access both. And if you having other mobile like Samsung and other phone, you have to get first I take Google Pixels and Google Access mobile, then I will you take also recon/beta. You want to type link in the description. You can go directly from there without wasting any of your time. You want to click at third. Let me this Android O beta download release. Click not first one. I am by mistake applicant. Android O beta download released. You can see Android O download released today. Scroll down. You have to search Google Android beta page. Here it is. You can see. Click here. A page will be loaded. You can see, and here you want to type at download. When you type at download, a tab come. It will take time because it is very large file, or you can say website. Wait more, or it will take 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Scroll down and you will got all the system images of your mobile like Google Pixels 2 XL, Google Pixel 2X and Google Pixel 2 or many. And there is also for Google Nexus like Google Pixel XL. And scroll down, Google Pixel. More scroll down, you got Google Pixel C and Nexus 6P, and many more devices are there. Search your device of Google and get the update now by clicking on the link. If you understand, very good. If you are having any other Samsung or any want to try this, link in the description. You can directly go from there without wasting any of your time. Or you can write here Oreo UI beta. You want to write this, and the first link of your system will open this Oreo UI for Android beta APK. Download this. Let me show in my mobile also, so you can understand. Link was in the description. You want to search Android system UI beta. A file get open. A website. First link you want to go from Epic Pure. Download 5.9 MB APK and it will install. Let me show in the mobile how it works. See, you can see now my Android 5.0 upgraded to 8.0. Let me go to settings and show you so that you can understand more easily. Let me go to section, and from there we will go Android version, about phone, and from there version Android, and you can see friends, it is Oreo and nothing else. So friends, if you understand, please like and subscribe my video and share this and comment very good things. Bye bye.